So, we've reached a point where AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a legitimate, powerful part of our daily workflow. It's in our phones, it's in our cars, it's on our desktops. With so many new tools popping up every single day, it can feel impossible to keep track of what's actually good, what's just hype, what will genuinely make your life easier or more productive. The landscape is shifting fast. Tools that were cutting edge last year might already be table stakes. So the real question is, which ones are worth your time and attention as we head into 2025? That's exactly what we're getting into today. Welcome to AI Simplified. Today we're looking at 10 powerful AI tools you should be using in 2025. This isn't a random list, it's a curated toolkit. Alright, first up, and this should come as no surprise to anyone, is ChatGPT. It's kind of the OG, the one that brought generative AI into the mainstream. For good reason, it's become the default go-to for so many people, myself included. Think of it as your universal AI assistant. I use it for everything from drafting difficult emails, cleaning up my writing, brainstorming video ideas, planning out a complex project. Its ability to understand context and to generate human-like text is still, in many ways, best in class. It's the ultimate digital multi-tool. The real power, especially with the latest models, is versatility. Ask it to explain a complex topic like quantum computing in simple terms. It will. Paste in a 1,000-word article. Ask for a 5-bullet point summary. You get it instantly. For daily tasks, it's a massive productivity booster. It's not just about getting answers, it's about speeding up the process of thinking and creating. If there's one tool you need in your back pocket, it's this one. It's the foundation of a modern workflow. Next on the list is a tool that has fundamentally changed how I do research: Perplexity. Now you might think I have Google and I have ChatGPT, what more do I need? But Perplexity carves out its own niche. It's not just a chatbot, it's not a traditional search engine, it's an AI-powered answer engine. When you ask a question, it doesn't just give a generated response, it scours the web, synthesizes the information, presents a direct, concise answer with numbered citations linking to original sources. This is huge for anyone who needs quick, verifiable information. For students writing research papers, journalists fact-checking a story, or even just for me when I'm trying to verify a technical spec for a review, it's invaluable. The transparency of knowing exactly where the information came from builds a level of trust that you just don't get from a standard chatbot response. It combines the conversational nature of an LLM with the factual authority of a search engine. It's the best of both worlds for research, and it saves a ton of time. Moving into the creative space, let's talk about video. This is where things get really wild. Runway, specifically their new Gen-3 model, is a legitimate game changer for anyone who creates visual content. This is a text-to-video generator, but the cinematic quality and coherence it can produce is miles ahead of where we were just a year ago. You can type in a prompt like a drone shot, flying through a futuristic city. Number 4, ElevenLabs. Ultra-realistic voiceovers with emotion, pacing, and clarity that sound truly human. Clone your voice, tweak inflection, and export broadcast-ready audio in minutes. It raises the bar for AI voice production. Number 5, Claude 3 by Anthropic. When you need deep analysis, this is the specialist. Huge context window, strong reasoning, accurate summaries. Feed it books, reports, and papers. It keeps the thread. Number 6, Gamma. Type a prompt. Get a modern slide deck with clean layouts and on-brand visuals. Instant polish. Number 7, Durable. Generate a full website in about a minute. Hero, nav, copy, images, and CTAs assembled for you. Number 8, Notion AI. Enhance writing, summarize notes, and automate tasks inside the workspace you already use. Number 9, OpusClip. Turn long videos into short, captioned, platform-ready clips automatically. Viral-friendly in one pass. Number 10, Recraft. Design icons, illustrations, and 3D assets fast. Even transform vectors into clean 3D. So, there you have it, 10 powerful, genuinely useful AI tools worth mastering as we head into 2025. We've covered a lot of ground: ChatGPT, Perplexity, Runway, Recraft. These aren't just novelties or tech demos, they're practical tools that solve real problems. They can deliver a significant return on the time you invest. They can make you more productive, more creative, more effective. AI is moving incredibly fast. Staying on top is a challenge, but the opportunity is enormous. Integrate a few of these tools into your workflow. Build a serious competitive advantage. Use AI as a collaborator, a partner that augments your skills. Free yourself to focus on high-level thinking and creativity. Work smarter, not just harder. I'm curious, what do you think? Any essential AI tools I missed? Let me know in the comments below. If this was helpful, hit that subscribe button and bell. These tools will give you an edge in 2025. Subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.